Hello, guys. This is Jason Hetchy at TheseHiddenTreasures.com. Listen, it's almost 9 o'clock at night. Wow. I woke up, you wouldn't believe this. There was a parrot at my bed. A parrot. He was telling me to get on here and tell you guys, listen, we ain't got long until we start selling our stuff in our store. He said, I want you to tell the people that. So this parrot comes up to my bed and tells me to get on here and tell y'all that the store is opening soon. And he wants you to come by. I told him, I said, look, I ain't got time for this, man. I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to work in the morning. I ain't got time for all this. And you wouldn't believe what his name is. You'll see him on the show. You'll see him. He's a little parrot. He's got a big nose. His name is, well, I can't tell you his name yet. You'll just have to find out his name the first show. Anyways, he come in there and told me to tell y'all he's very excited. He's going to introduce himself to the first show. And it's going to be in April when we open the store. So guys, listen, get your follows and like and share in to These Treasures, These Hidden Treasures on Facebook. We're on Instagram. We're on YouTube. Be following all these pages because this little bird, about 2-inch bird, he wants to meet you. So I'm gonna go to bed and hopefully he won't bother me again. So you guys check out that, be following us. These Hidden Treasures, TheseHiddenTreasures.com, be following us on there too. Like I say, we'll have weekly videos, pre-orders, all our pre-orders will have weekly videos. Our store is coming up soon. We're going to be launching it. But listen, this little bird, I can't tell you his name yet. I can't. I mean, he would probably kill me because he said, I want to introduce myself. Okay, that's fine. All right, guys. Hey, check it out. Share, like, and comment this video. Listen, these Hidden Treasures. These Hidden Treasures. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're on all of them, guys. Come on. Share, share, share.